It's 7 o'clock, 7:11. This mutt is still out here. They got my back hurting so bad sitting out there with the microwave weapons and voice to skull in me and hurt my damn lower back. Because what they doing is using the microwave weapon on me since I'm in the house. That's how they do it. So he's hurting my foot and my lower back. Yeah. That's how they do it. And they don't even, he's getting paid. He or she, whoever that monster is getting paid. Stop organized gang stalking. Nothing but a damn skit. I'll be glad when these monsters get what they get. I wish they get what they get. If only the world would wake up and know that these are not even humans. That would be a help. Came out of New York. Targeted. But okay. Peace.